Welcome to the Reese Update for the Boston Metro apartment sector for Q1 2016. During the first quarter of 2016, asking rents in the Massachusetts state capital and most populous city declined by 0.3% to an average of $2,098. Mean unit prices in the metro area are as follows. Studios, $1,659, one bedrooms, $1,914, two bedrooms, $2,248, and three bedrooms, $2,741. Over the past 4 quarters, asking rents have actually increased a total of 4.7%, up from $2,003. Since the beginning of Q2 2006, the Metro as a whole has recorded an annual average increase of 2.9%. Effective rents, which exclude the value of concessions offered to prospective tenants, increased by 0.5% during the first quarter to an average of $2,025. The faster pace of effective rent growth indicates that landlords are enjoying more pricing power at the negotiating table. During the past 4 quarters, positive movement in asking rent was recorded in all 9 of the Metro's submarkets. Now, the first quarter added 5,110 net new households to the Boston MSA. Of course, not all newly formed households immediately become apartment renters, but an analysis of longer-term economic and demographic trends can be useful in understanding the current quarter's level of demand. Since the beginning of Q2 2006, household formations in Boston have averaged 0.8% per year, representing the average annual addition of 14,900 households. Demand, attributable in part to this pace of household formations, contributed to the absorption of 589 units during the first quarter, while new development added 264 units to the Metro inventory. The net effect of absorption and construction dynamics caused the vacancy rate to drift downward by 20 basis points to 5.2%. Now, over the last 4 quarters, market absorption totaled 4,551 units, 41.1% greater than the average annual absorption rate of 3,224 units recorded since the beginning of Q2 2006. Now, from an historical perspective, the first quarter vacancy rate is 0.2 percentage points higher than the 5% average recorded since the beginning of Q2 2006. And please visit Reese.com for more information.